All right, so this is going to be my unboxing of the Padsmith Empress Speed. And just from the look of the packaging itself, it is an absolutely gorgeous design. The blue, black, the white, beautiful. I just want to give out a shout out to Clank for being so gracious enough to send me a free pad after my initial Empress Speed got lost in the mail. Thank you, USPS. But anyways, let's get to unboxing this. I am so excited. Okay, how about we do it this way, like a pizza box. Move my mouse over here. Don't hit the camera. Oh, that's perfect. Opening straight to Padsmith. Okay. Oh, okay, let's move this over. Okay. So what we got? Oh, it's like a little sticker of the Empress. That is amazing. That is amazing. I'm gonna set that to the side. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my god. Little Padsmith thank you card. Appreciate you. Thank you, Padsmith, for sending this out. Okay. All right. I'm so excited. Oh my god. I'm so sorry. Let's get this. Okay. Pad out. Let's move box itself out of the way. Maybe we can just. Please. Let's go down. All right. That's aside. Okay. Let's check the backing because I ordered off of shipments. I think batch C and D. I know those are the silicone problem ones. Oh, I don't think. Let's before put this here, put that here, and let's just peel off the backing. Start off somewhere that I can get my hands on. Hello? There we go. Oh my god. Wow. Okay. I don't know if Clank sent me from batch C or D. I think this is just a normal. No, I see it now. Okay, I see it now. It just blended in so well. But yeah, you can see the little bubbling. But I think it'll be okay because I'm just not going to see it. But other than that, it looks phenomenal. All right, moment of truth. Oh my god. It looks so much better than before than I ever thought it would, actually. Is that better? No, I think the white is better. There we go. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. This is a gorgeous design. Super smooth. All right, I got my Viper V3 here with the Yanzi dots. Oh, wow. It is insanely quiet, but this pad is absolutely a dream. Again, I want to say thank you to Clank for sending this out to me. I'm so grateful. This is a beautiful pad. I'm speechless. This is absolutely gorgeous. But give it its rounds, test it out, get my first impressions. But as of right now, this is absolutely amazing. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the little unboxing video. If you guys did, please give me a like, comment if whatever you like about the pad, and don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate you all. And with that, I'll see you guys later. Peace.